In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an owner team in Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM. This process is essential if you want to efficiently manage team-based permissions and utilize the robust security model that Dynamics 365 offers. So, let's dive right into it and walk through the steps. First, you want to navigate to the Dynamics 365 application like the Sales Hub. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the gear icon, which is synonymous with settings in many applications. Click on that icon to access the Advanced Settings menu. This is where you'll find a variety of system configurations. Next, under the System Settings, you'll need to focus on the Security options. Click on Security, and then proceed to select Teams. By doing this, you'll open up a list that displays all the current teams set up in your environment. This is an important step because it helps you verify if the team you want to create already exists or if there's something similar that you can build upon. Once you're in the Teams section, look for the option to create a team. This is your gateway to assembling a new team from scratch, tailored to your specific needs. Click on that, and you'll be directed to a page where you need to fill in some essential details. Begin by entering the team name. The name you choose should ideally reflect the function or department it represents, like Inside Sales Team, to ensure it's easily identifiable within the organization. After naming your team, you need to assign the business unit. The business unit is essentially the organizational structure this team will fall under, so select the appropriate one from the list available. Next, focus on the team administrator. While this step is noted as optional, it often helps to have a designated individual who can manage and oversee the team-related settings and transactions. Now, it's crucial to select the team type. For our purposes, you'll want to choose Owner. This designation is incredibly important because it determines the level of access and permissions that the team will hold over various records in the system. Choosing Owner ensures that the team has the authority to act upon the data they manage. After you've filled out these foundational details, click on Next to continue building out your team. You'll now have the option to add team members. This step is about assembling your roster of users who will form the core of your team. Carefully select individuals who are relevant to your team's goals and functions. Following the addition of team members, it's time to assign the security roles. These roles are paramount because they define what records your team can access and what actions they can perform within the CRM. Choose roles that align with the tasks and responsibilities your team should undertake. Once you've got everything set up, finish by clicking Save. And there you have it, a newly created owner team in Dynamics 365, ready to tackle tasks with organized access and clearly defined roles.